Fergus makes it easy to complete forms on the go with our Forms feature. It allows you to view and complete forms on Fergus Go while out and about. Before we dive in, here's a quick note. Before adding forms to jobs or phases, you need to create form templates. For more details, check out our guide on creating and managing your form templates. Now, let's start with how to add forms to a job phase. In the job card, select the job phase you want to attach a form to. In the Job Phase Forms section, located in the center of the page, click the Add Form button on the right. From the drop-down menu, select the form template you want to add. And that's it, you've assigned the form to the job phase. To view or complete this form, click its name in the table. This opens up the form panel where you can complete the form, assign to staff, set a due date, enable reminders, and leave additional information where necessary. Check out our guide on completing forms via desktop if you're interested. You can also add a form to an overall job. To do so, navigate to Forms in the left side navigation panel. The Forms page is where you can add, view, complete, delete, search, and filter all forms linked to the job. To add a form, click the Add Form button at the top right of the page, then select the form template you want from the drop-down menu. And you've just assigned the form to the job. To view or complete this form, it's the same as with the job phase. Finally, let's talk about managing overdue forms. Forms that aren't completed by their due date are marked as overdue and flagged with a red exclamation mark icon. When a form becomes overdue, a notification is sent to the assigned staff member. This ensures accountability and helps maintain your business processes and high-quality service standards. And that's it. Start using Fergus Forms today to streamline your workflows, save time, and maintain exceptional service quality.